Alright, part 2 of the mini Orion. And we're not flying FPV, we're flying regular. And we're using the tattua batteries. I don't remember if it's charged or not. This went my lipo checker. I think it needs some trim. Oh, I hit the wrong button. That one motor's done got slow from my many crashes. Second gear seems to work pretty good for it. I'm not sure the voltage of the battery, the reason I hadn't got it super high. See, when they get to a certain level and they don't want to go no higher, that means your battery's dead. I always check it with a flip, but it's so windy and we got so many limbs that's a no-no. And I found with this craft here, if you hold the down button too long all the way down, it will just dead stop and crash. So you got to hold it about 9/10 of the way down, or this puppy will just hit the ground. Like a DJI, propellers will stop when you hold it all the way down, but luckily I don't believe they'll hit the ground. They'll just keep coming down. And so you go from one drone to the next, you know, you got to acclimate and remember the characteristics of that drone. Let's see how much power I got. Let's do it. Now see, that lipo's got at least half power because it will flip. You know, you've been flying for a while, say your drone's out there and you're fighting to get it back and you're unsure of how much power you got, I do a flip. See, I did a multi. So if it'll do a multi, that means you got a little bit of power enough to bring it on back. But if it will not flip when it's out there, you know, a good ways, and you try that, if you got flip mode, land it. Go ahead and land it in the very most capable spot you can find. You know, go ahead and land it. Like, you know, let's see. What is this? Autopilot, that stops it. Let's see if let's do the return assist. Now see, that helps too if you're unsure about what's going on. Okay, and say, now see, she's hovering. Let's try the, see if it'll land. Now see, she's landing by herself. Now when you on return to home with my XK380, if you interfere with the XK380 at all in its return to home function, I don't know if it's because I had a super low battery. I done flew that thing for like 25 minutes. And it will go a mile and a half easy. It just stopped dead in the air and fell and busted. And GearBest, they'd helped me a few times, but they didn't want to help me with that high-end drone. And now, you know, they don't make the XK380s no more. And they've had some quick sales, and I missed a flash sale on the fully loaded gimbal. And then TomTop had the gimbal for like 49 bucks. And they caught me when I didn't have no money. And I wish I'd have bought two of them that way I could have parts, because the XK380 gimbal is the one that works, in my opinion, the best with it. Even the G2, I bought the Turret G2 and it just would not work with it at all. And I sold it. Ooh, see how much pitch that was with that? See, that's, you know, people always want to go in high gear, and sometimes that's just too much pitch. You know, for the wrong space or the wrong person. You know, these, so I about got that limb. There's a couple of these limbs I've tried to get cut down, and since I got sick, I ain't able to do much of nothing. Now, there might be something said for lighting your candle at both ends. Either do it or don't. I think I shouldn't have. I mean, it's a fun drone. I probably need to edit all my words out. I mean, it's a very good drone to fly. We got it like for $50 off of HSN with that Easy Pay, $5 and something a month. And the FPV screen actually works with the racing drone, so, and it's got a very good mounting system where some of the cheap ones don't have a good mounting system, or even some of the high-end ones don't. So it's how much power is left in the battery. Now see, that shows me right then you don't need to be flying way out there, because the battery's about there, and it's bright out and I'm about blind, so I don't see it flashing. Instead of clear lenses, they've got gray lenses, I guess, which is for night flight. It helps you see better with a night flight. So me being a dummy, I'm gonna push it. I mean, you get some good flights out of this toy. It's a toy, yes, it's a toy, but it's fun. Take one of them with you fishing. You know, now you're not gonna put no fish line on it and catch Big Bertha, you know, but you can have fun, kill some time, take your kid to the park, let them have it. You know, here, play with this. After you show them what's up a few times, let them have it. You know, let them have fun. John Hall signing out with a mini Orion.